Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Companies around the world are expanding their AI capabilities. As companies around the world expand their use of AI, more than half of the companies have accelerated their AI adoption plans. They are taking a careful look at ethics and responsible innovations. The global spending on AI systems is only expected to increase from $85.3 billion in 2021 to over $204 billion in 2025, according to market research firm IDC. It's a great time to raise capital if your startup is building with or on top of artificial intelligence, regardless of how far along you are towards an exit. While many startup niches have seen their funding tallies rise in 2021, AI startups appear to be enjoying strong gains across younger and older cohorts, implying a broad base of customer demand. From Google and Amazon to Apple and Microsoft, every major tech company is dedicating resources to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence. Personal assistants like Siri and Alexa have made AI a part of our daily lives. Meanwhile, revolutionary breakthroughs like self-driving cars may not be the norm, but are certainly within reach. AI is at the heart of digital disruption and on its way to becoming one of the biggest game changers in the next few years. Early adopters of AI are reaping significant benefits and have differentiated themselves from the rest. The AI market is booming as governments are investing in technology to drive efficiency and cost savings in the post-pandemic era. Healthcare AI companies attracted the maximum annual investment, followed by the fintech and retail sectors. There are 78 AI companies around the world that are unicorns today. At the same time, investors are betting on AI tech across the country. Startups in 46 US states plus data centers are applying artificial intelligence tech across industries like marketing, healthcare, retail, and more. The artificial intelligence sector is shattering funding records this year. A number of new records were achieved in Q2 21, including 50 mega rounds, 24 new AI unicorns, and 119 exits. Notable events include Waymo's $2.5 billion funding round, UiPath's $29 billion IPO, and Microsoft's $19.7 billion acquisition of Nuance. The largest merger and acquisition deal of the quarter was PayPal's purchase of buy now pay later platform Payri for $2.7 billion. The Japanese payments platform uses machine learning to determine consumer creditworthiness and underwrites transactions instantly. It was almost 370% bigger than the next largest deal, the acquisition of Chorus.ai by ZoomInfo for $575 million. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Only Indian-made equipment will be used by the Indian forces, says Rajnath Singh. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said that India had conveyed to the US, Russia, France and many of its partner countries that military platforms and equipment required by the Indian Armed Forces had to be manufactured in the country. He said, "Our aim is not to attack anyone, but prepare our armed forces to be ready at all times to give a befitting reply to the country's enemies." India cannot depend on other countries for defense technologies due to its stature, geographical location, and the security challenges it faces. Joe Biden admits $2 trillion bill impeded, commits to be passed. President Joe Biden acknowledged negotiations over his domestic policy package will likely push into the new year as he does not yet have the votes in the Senate to lift the roughly $2 trillion bill to passage. The president said that in their recent discussions, the West Virginia senator has reiterated his support for the framework he, the president and other Democrats had agreed to on the flagship bill. Both he and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer are determined to bring the package to the Senate floor for votes as early as possible. Atos acquires AppCentrica. Atos has completed the acquisition of AppCentrica, a Canadian-based technology and management consulting company specializing in cloud application and Salesforce services. The acquisition will add a highly skilled team of approximately 90 cloud application and Salesforce service experts to Atos. AppCentrica is a cloud services company offering business transformation consulting, cloud application modernization and development, as well as Salesforce and MuleSoft consulting. New Cosmos Mastercard projects to boost Ethereum scalability. ConsenSys, the main software developer for Ethereum, is partnering with payments giant Mastercard to launch ConsenSys rollups and improve the scalability of the Ethereum blockchain for its mainnet and private use. ConsenSys is also launching Gravity Bridge, which is a link between ETH and the Cosmos ecosystem. It aims to connect Ethereum with other blockchains. Nexus accelerates digital transformation for enterprises in India. Nexus, the world's fastest growing IT reseller, introduces a class of modernized digital transformation solutions to help businesses embrace the fourth wave of the industrial revolution. The range of solutions empowers enterprises at all digital transformation stages to adopt new ways to redesign processes for better business outcomes. With a robust partner ecosystem, Nexus offers fast time to value and flexibility to thrive amid change, all without high upfront investments. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Var India News Magazine. You can download the Var India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.